Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. Today we are going to revise lesson 2, Peter Enters the Garden. This is the fourth part of revision of this lesson 2. My dear students, I want to remind you once again that you have to comment in the comment section for your attendance. It is mandatory to all students. Now, in the previous video, we have discussed the question and answer. Firstly, we have discussed answer these questions with reference to the context. And we have also discussed answer these questions. There we have discussed up to question 4. Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? And at the last of the previous video, I have given you the homework. Your homework was question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. In today's video, we are going to discuss the question and answer of this lesson and we are going to revise it once again. My dear students, we have solved the question and answer of question 1. Why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her 4 children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden? Why? Mrs. Rabbit told her 4 children, that is Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter, not to go to the McGregor's garden as there was danger. Now your question 2. Where did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail go? What did they do there? Your answer is Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went down the lane to gather blackberries. Now, my dear students, we are repeating it again as a revision here. Your question number 3 is, why did Peter not go with his sibling? Why? Because Peter was very naughty. Peter did not go with his sibling because he was very naughty. Now, question number 4. Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? Why? Your answer is McGregor called Peter a thief as he entered his garden without permission. Now, question number 5. What did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame? I have given you this homework as a homework, this question as a homework. I hope you all have tried to solve and you all have learned it already. So here, what did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near cucumber frame? Your answer is Mr. McGregor jumped up and ran after Peter, waving a rake and calling out, "Stop thief!" when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame. Your question is, my dear students, your question is, what did Mr. McGregor do? Mr. McGregor ने क्या किया? When he saw Peter, जब उन्होंने पीटर को कुकुम्बर फ्रेम के पास देखा, क्या किया? So your answer is Mr. McGregor jumped up and ran after Peter. Mr. McGregor दौड़े और पीटर के पीछे दौड़ने लगे. Waving a rake and calling out, "Stop thief!" रेक को हाथ में उठाए हुए और कहते हुए कि "Stop thief!" रुक जा चोर. When he saw Peter near the cucumber frame, जब उन्होंने पीटर को कुकुम्बर फ्रेम के पास देखा. Now your question 6. Your question 6 is, who went up to Peter when he got caught in the net. What did they do? Who? कौन आया? कौन आया था जब पीटर नेट में फंस गया था? और what did they do? उन्होंने क्या किया? Then your answer is some friendly sparrows came to Peter and begged him to save himself as he got caught in the net. Some friendly sparrows came to Peter and begged him to save himself as he got caught in the net. Now your question number 7 is, where did Peter hide in the tool shed? My dear students, I am giving you the homework question number 5, 6 and 7. I hope you all have done it. Now it's time for your answer. Where did Peter hide in the tool shed? Then your answer is, Peter hid himself into a cane in the tool shed. Why? Where did? कहाँ पे पीटर ने खुद को छुपा लिया था टूल शेड में? Then Peter hid himself, खुद को पीटर एक केन में, टूल शेड के अंदर एक केन था उसमें खुद को छिपा लिया था. Okay? Peter hid himself into a cane in the tool shed. I hope you all have understood this question answer again. Now next question, question number 8. Who did Peter ask for direction to the gate? पीटर ने डायरेक्शन, गेट का डायरेक्शन किससे पूछा था? Who did Peter ask for direction to the gate? Then your answer is, if you have remember that an old mouse coming in and out. So here your answer is, Peter asked an old mouse for directions to the gate. एक बूढ़े चूहे से पीटर ने गेट का डायरेक्शन पूछा. Peter asked an old mouse for directions to the gate. Now this is your answers of your previous homework. Now question number 9. How did Peter find his way to the gate? Here your question is, how did Peter find his way to the gate? कैसे पीटर ने गेट का रास्ता खोजा, कैसे ढूंढा? How did Peter find his way to the gate? How? Then your answer is, Peter heard some sounds and looked where it was coming. पीटर ने कुछ आवाज सुना and looked और देखा where it was coming, वो आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है, and found the gate behind Mr. McGregor और उसने गेट को ढूंढा जो गेट मिस्टर मैकग्रिगर के पीछे था. पीटर हर्ड सम साउंड, पीटर ने कुछ आवाज़ सुनी, एंड लुक्ड देयर एंड देखा वेयर इट वाज कमिंग कि वो आवाज़ कहाँ से आ रही है, एंड फाउंड द गेट बिहाइंड मिस्टर मैकग्रिगर. Now my dear students, your last question is, do you think Peter was wrong in not listening to his mother? Give reason. Sometime you also not listening to your mother. Like you, Peter, here in this question, do you think Peter was wrong? क्या आप सोच रहे हैं कि पीटर वाज रॉन्ग, पीटर गलत है क्योंकि वो अपने मदर की बात नहीं सुनता? अगर है देन गिव रीजन, कारण बताइए. डू यू थिंक पीटर वाज रॉन्ग इन नॉट लिसनिंग टू हिज मदर? गिव रीजन. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, योर आंसर इज पीटर वाज रॉन्ग. येस, व्हेन यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग योर टॉक, द टॉक ऑफ योर मदर, देन यू आर रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू लिसन व्हाट शी इज सेइंग. So in this Answer: Peter was wrong in not listening to his mother, as your parents always think for your good and well-being. पीटर गलत था इसलिए क्योंकि वो अपनी माँ की बात नहीं सुन रहा था. ओके, पीटर वॉज रॉन्ग इन नॉट लिसनिंग टू हिज मदर, एज क्योंकि आपके जो माता पिता होते हैं, जो आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, वो हमेशा आपके लिए अच्छा सोचते हैं. सो हियर इन दिस आंसर पीटर वॉज रॉन्ग इन नॉट लिसनिंग टू हिज मदर, एज योर पेरेंट्स ऑलवेज थिंक फॉर यू, हमेशा आपके लिए अच्छा सोचते हैं, फॉर योर गुड एंड वेल बीइंग. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द रिविजन ऑफ lesson 2, Peter enters the garden, and we have revised all the question and answer, as well as answer these questions with reference to the context, and we have also revised the answers of previous question as well as answer these questions. I hope you all have understood this chapter once again. Here we have revised all the question and answer. My dear students, I am requesting you, please learn all the question answer of lesson 2, Peter enters the garden. I hope you all will do your homework at your home. I am going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.